everyone, it's Gillian and welcome to today's video. I thought it would be so much fun to do another adding too much ingredients to slime video, and you guys loved the last one that I did, so I'm so happy to be making another video like this. So let's just jump straight into it. The first thing we're going to be adding way too much of is pom-poms, and we're going to be adding this to clear slime. So I just started off with some clear slime that I had made previously, and we're just going to be adding a bunch of pom-poms, and I chose different size pom-poms and super colorful ones. So I'm just going to place a normal amount of pom-poms in the slime first. I love the way that colourful pom-poms look in clear slime. It's just so fun, and I love how they look submerged in the slime. So here I'm just taking the slime out of the container and mixing it together, and at the moment it feels pretty alright. The pom-poms give it a really nice squishy texture, and I like the different sizes. So I just went ahead and added even more pom-poms and mixed these in. At this point, the slime wasn't fun anymore. The pom-poms had soaked up most of the slime, so as you can see here, it's just tearing apart and not stretchy at all. So because the pom-poms had soaked up all the slime, it was just kind of like a big mushy pom-pom mess. As you can see here, the pom-poms just went really soft and squishy, and I don't know, it didn't really feel nice. As you can see here, I could mold it into a ball, and you couldn't even tell that there was slime originally there. So this was not very fun. On to adding too much activator, and I've actually always wanted to try this, but I've never really wanted to ruin my slime before, and I'm pretty sure this is going to ruin my slime, so I'm excited to be trying it today. So first I just made a big batch of activator, and then I just went ahead and made a batch of fluffy slime because I thought this would be a good slime to use as my base for adding too much activator. I just started off adding enough activator to activate the slime like I normally would, so it was still nice and stretchy and the perfect texture. So I'm just going to keep adding activator a little bit at a time and mixing it in, and I'm going to see how far I can take this slime, and yeah, let's see what this is going to turn into when you really overactivate it. the slime is already feeling like rubber and isn't stretchy or anything anymore, but I decided to just add a little bit more activator to see what would happen, and the slime totally just fell apart and would not stick together. As you can see here, it's like super piecey and it felt really gross and it was just disgusting, and I just did not like it. Oh, it felt so gross to like play with and to touch, so this was a complete fail, and yeah, I don't recommend over activating your slimes this much. Now it's time to add too many charms to slime, and normally when I make slime I usually only add a couple of charms on top of the slime, but this time I wanted to go way overboard and see what would happen. So I just started off by making a glossy base slime because I felt like this would hold onto the charms really well, so I just went ahead and activated it, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So you can see it's a really nice, soft, stretchy, glossy slime. So I just went and popped some in a container, and then I'm going to start topping it with some charms. And I just picked random charms that I had and started placing them on top. Like I said, I normally only use 1 or 2. Maybe I'll use 3 just as like decoration and to make it more fun. So this is going way overboard for me. Basically, adding too many charms to slime just makes it not fun to play with because it's so lumpy and bumpy, and it's really hard to poke while avoiding all the charms. And also, while you're playing with the slime and you're like squishing all the slime bubbles, it hurts your hands because there are so many charms in there and they're just really hard to avoid. It just takes all the fun out of the slime. So I would definitely stick to 1 or 2 charms. You do not need to add this many. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. I love you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!